Okay, so day 3 in where are we? San Antonio. Hey, Graham! Oh, that's Greeley Estates. See how low we are to the ground? Kind of have to be because there's a sandstorm. Yeah, this is us holding on for dear life, basically. Hey! What's up? Get over here. Billy, get up here. What's up? Fucking Graham! Oh man. Okay, see, look at the tree. Okay, they're not that bad right now, but look that one back there. And yeah, Greeley Estates right there. Freaking crazy. Still selling shit. Look at that, freaking Graham. See the boys back there? Like, see those butts right there? Oh yeah. Still signing stuff as their tent is flying away. These are the lovely people who are helping us.
What's up?
Hello.
I'm from Texas.
Yeah.
It's usually just hot, but I don't know what you're saying.
Shot of the rest of the warm. There's no wind coming right now.
Alright, what's going on? This is what it looks like outside. Oh, fuck, hold on. Alright, super windy. Everyone's tents are low, down to the ground. The place, oh shit. Trev's trying to keep this set up.